India's stock market has been on a remarkable upswing, touching new peaks and drawing global attention. And amidst this rally, a few standout stocks have emerged as potential game changers for investors. Earlier this year, Jefferies, the global investment bank, identified 11 growth stocks in India that could deliver compounded annual returns of anywhere between 15 to 25% over the next 5 years. As India secures its position among the top 5 global stock markets by market capitalization, Jefferies envisions the Indian stock market surpassing the $10 trillion mark by the year 2030. This optimistic forecast is driven by rising domestic investments, infrastructure development, and steady GDP growth. Let's now dive into those 11 promising stocks and their performance since Jefferies released its report on the 18th of March 2024. Amber Enterprises, a market leader in manufacturing heating and ventilation equipment, Amber Enterprises is well positioned to capitalize on India's low air conditioner penetration, currently at just 7%. Jefferies projects Amber's share price to more than double by the year 2029, with the stock already up 34% since March. Ambuja Cement, India's second largest cement producer, Ambuja is focusing on capacity expansion and efficiency improvements. With plans to nearly double its capacity in the next 5 years, Jefferies sees a bright future for Ambuja, which has seen a near 6% increase in its stock price since the report came out. Axis Bank, Jefferies forecasts an 18% annual compounded growth in Axis Bank's adjusted earnings through to the year 2029, driven by a stronger deposit base and enhanced digital platforms. The stock has risen 11% since March, with more growth expected as the bank integrates Citibank India. Bharti Airtel, as one of India's telecom giants, Bharti Airtel is set to benefit from a favorable market environment and increasing average revenue per user. With the stock up 27% since March, Jefferies anticipates continued strong performance. JSW Energy, embracing the renewable energy wave, JSW Energy is expected to see 81% of its capacity come from renewables by the year 2030. The stock has surged 43% since March, reflecting investor confidence in its green future. Larsen & Toubro, a leader in infrastructure, L&T is poised to benefit from India's capital expenditure boom. Despite the modest gains of under 5% since March, L&T's long-term prospects remain strong. Macrotech Limited, Lodha. Lodha is thriving amid a housing upcycle, with sales growing at a 35% compounded annual growth rate between the years of financial year 2021 to financial year 2024. The stock has gained nearly 20% since March, with more room for growth. Max Healthcare. Max Healthcare is expected to deliver 2.5x returns over the next 5 years, supported by strong growth in its hospital business. The stock has already risen over 20% since March. State Bank of India, as India's largest lender, SBI is projected to expand its loans and profitability significantly. The stock has climbed more than 10% since March. TVS Motor Company, riding the wave of revived two-wheeler demand, TVS Motor stock has surged by over 35% since March, with Jefferies forecasting continued robust growth. Zomato, India's top food delivery platform, Zomato has seen its stock almost double in 2024, up 57% since March, driven by rapid growth in its quick commerce arm, Blinkit. Now, these stocks, predominantly blue-chip giants with strong fundamentals, offer substantial growth potential. However, it's crucial to remember that market dynamics can shift, and Jefferies' projections may evolve accordingly.